Salamat! Welcome to the Mastering Filipino podcast. I'm your host Charlotte, and today we're going to have short quiz where we review what we discussed our last lesson about noun markers. Get ready to test your knowledge and reinforce your learning. Are you ready? Let's start. I'll give you time to answer after hearing the question. Question number 1. Why are noun markers important in Tagalog? Well done! Noun markers are important in Tagalog because they indicate the role of the noun in a sentence and provide essential information. They can help clarify whether a noun is definite or indefinite, indicate position or affiliation, and denote location or direction. Let's proceed with question number 2. How is the noun marker ang used in Tagalog sentences? Impressive! The answer is the noun marker ang is used in Tagalog for definite nouns similar to the word the in English. It helps specify and make the nouns more specific. For example, ang libro. In English, the book. Moving forward, what is the purpose of the noun marker si and ni in Tagalog? Remarkable! The noun marker si is used for proper nouns that refer to people and functions similarly to the personal pronoun. For example, si Maria. In English, Maria. On the other hand, ni is used to indicate possession or affiliate. For instance, ang kapatid ni Maria. In English, Maria's sibling. Moving forward for the next question. How does the noun marker nang contribute to the Tagalog sentences? I will repeat the question. How does the noun marker nang contribute to Tagalog sentences? Outstanding! The noun marker nang signifies possession or genitive case in Tagalog. It is used to show ownership or association. For example, ang bahay ng bata. In English, the child's house. Can you say ang bahay ng bata? Repeat after me. Ang bahay ng bata. Excellent! What does the noun marker sa indicate in Tagalog sentences? Wonderful! The noun marker sa denotes location or direction in Tagalog sentences. It is similar to the word to or at in English. For example, ang bulaklak ay nasa mesa. In English, the flower is on the table. Thank you for joining us today to learn about noun markers in Tagalog. Remember to practice using them in different contexts to enhance your language skills. Salamat at hanggang sa muli!